Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to the Grow More channel. Today we will see about gold, silver trading, some rules, and then over pair trading, how to handle this volatile instrument in commodities. Some are there who are really interested only in commodities trading, and it is very volatile and very risky. Okay, but however we can avoid the risk and see how we can manage the risk by trading in gold and silver using a pair trading approach. So let me take this in this here in my course here day 9. I'm just explaining about this pair strategy gold silver. Let me explain, just go there and open this. So we'll go to the rules actually. Okay, now first understand about the basics. What is the gold silver trading, lot size, everything. So gold is quoted for the rates whatever quoted is for 10 grams, and then standard lot size is 1 kg, and then mini lot is 100 grams. In case of silver, it is 1 kg, the rate is quoted for 1 kg, and standard lot size 30 kgs, and mini one lot is 5 kgs. So this is how the rate you can see. Okay, this is a gold futures and then silver futures, both are coming here. Okay, so it's always bullish you can expect, and sometimes it can bearish. Whenever you take a bullish position, the market can turn bearish, and whenever you take a bearish position, market and bullish. So let us have some rules and regulations for understanding the this instrument, and then how to trade very safely. Will some demonstration will show. Okay, first let us go through the rules one by one. Okay, never go for naked buying or selling or shorting of gold or silver. It's very risky due to the high leverage what you are getting. Next is we'll go for a pair where you have to calculate the ratio by dividing the gold price by silver price. So here let me just take an example here. I see I just updated the gold price. Futures 97,818 is the price. You can see the price here 97,818, and then silver is 1,13,000. So I just put the price. So when you divide the gold divided by the silver rate, you will get the ratio into 100 will give you 86.56 is the ratio. And one lot, if you see here 10 grams is the price, and 1 kg a lot size will be 98 lakhs, and then for 30 kg 34 lakhs. So when you see mini one lot, then mini one lot will be for gold will be around 10 lakh rupees, and for mini one lot of silver will be around 5.5 lakhs. So the perfect pair will be like one mini lot of gold is equal to 2 mini lots of silver roughly. Okay, may not be exactly the same, but at least nearby you can see. So this is the way how you calculate the pair. First, for 1 mini lot of gold, 2 mini lots of silver you should trade, and this is the way how you can get into the pair, perfect pair. That's the first thing. Okay, now let us see the next rule. What is the rule? If this ratio is going down, then the gold is weak, and then silver is strong. Then then you have to buy silver and sell gold. Okay. So what you do is, for example, now let me take the ratio here. So if you see here ratio, what you can see is in the daily chart you can see I'm using a free version. If you're paid version, you can see for intraday time frame also. Now let me just delete this. Okay, what you do is go to add symbol, and then you can type here gold divided by silver. Just type enter. Then you get a ratio here. Okay, it is about 483. If this ratio is coming down, then you can see minus 2.6%. It means gold is weak and then silver is strong. That's what I mentioned here. So in that case, you should go for selling gold and then buying silver. If the ratio is going up, then you should silver is weak and gold is strong, or more weak. You can see more weak compared to relatively to gold. So then you have to go for buy gold and sell silver. That's a simple strategy you should follow. So for the pair will be 1 mini, as I explained you, 1 mini lot of gold to 2 mini lot of silver. That's the next rule you have to follow. Gold is governed by the sun and silver is governed by the moon. These two important rules is there to be followed. So first thing is that we will go for technical setup, and then also for the normal setup, Astro rules also to be followed. Now if you see here, the rule what I am telling for the gold and silver is that full moon is positive for gold and silver. Let me go to there is one website where I can see the full moon and new moon and Amavasya. So now if you see recently, we can see here July 10th July, we saw that it was a full moon. So full moon is what? Just let me go to the star one, KP star one Astro. You can use any sort of tool where you want. I'm just using 10th July, 10th July and 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock if you plot, then you will get the position as of planets of sun and moon as of that 10th July. 10th July, if you see, is loading now. Just wait for 1 second. Yeah, you can see moon is here. Okay, Sagittarius, and then sun is here in Gemini. Okay, exactly opposite. When both are there opposite, then it is a full moon. Exactly. Okay, and then the difference, when the difference is less than 3.5 degrees, the orbit rule, then you can expect that full moon is fully activated. At the time of opening of the market, the full moon is fully activated and is very very close. You can see the 24 degree and then 15 degree. Okay, so that's a activation is happened. And then you can see also Jupiter aspecting the moon. Jupiter aspecting moon is very bullish. You can see the another rule is there which I mentioned here. When Jupiter is aspecting moon, it is bullish for silver. So this is another rule I just mentioned here. The dates also I mentioned here for you to take note, and then you can apply the rule here on any days, whatever. The rules you have to follow, all the rules to be followed. Any rule, for example, if you see here, silver's place in Gemini is bearish, okay. Even though the is full moon, if it is in the Gemini, then it can be not activating the bullishness for silver. That's the rule you have to follow. Okay, now once you do this follow, then you see the ratio. What is the ratio here? Okay, now the ratio, if you see here, and also use a Heikinesi candle. Now this daily chart, you are seeing that. And then what the rule you have to follow? Let me just go to this. So rules, next rule is moon is when its own house, Cancer, it is bullish for silver. The next is silver is bullish when the moon is placed in 11th house. Normally, if you see here for 13th March at 9 o'clock, exactly the Mars came into 11th house and then started to be bullish. It's all as per the Vedic astrology. I'm not using KP astrology here. With that, I'll not mention the rules here. If KP astrology rules, we can see more accuracy also. That's possible. Because my setup is that till 3:30 p.m. I mentioned actually. Because I'm focusing only on the Indian stocks and the index actually till 3:30 p.m. 13th March 9 o'clock. 13th March, let us see here. 13th March 9:15, 9 o'clock. Edit chart. 13th March around 9 o'clock is 21 hours. Create chart. And let us go to the chart here. 13th March, which will go for gold or silver, whatever, and we'll go for 15 minutes chart or 30 minutes, and we'll go for 15th March. 15th March, and you can see exactly the shot happened at 9 o'clock. 15th March, where is this? 13th March, 13th March. So 13th March around 9 o'clock. If you see here, around 19 hours. Okay, 7 o'clock itself the shoot started actually. Okay, and they start to keep on going up until 6 o'clock. This is for next day. So if you see here 13th March at 9 p.m. if you see here, moon was in 11th house. Okay, moon is in 11th house. So this is the way how it got activated. So the rules I just kept, just simple rules to follow this, and then you expect to win in a week one trade will get triggered actually. Okay, and whenever Rahu is activated, it can be trap actually. You should be very careful. And then the chart time frame, what you should use 5 minutes chart only. Don't go for less than that. 5 minutes chart, and then use Heikinesi candle. Heikinesi candle you have to use it actually, and then you can see Heikinesi candle, and then we'll go for a 5 minutes chart. And then here let us go and this is a way if you are trading in silver or gold, I told you should go for the ratio. Okay, now the ratio let us take in the daily chart, and I'll show you explain also how we can make it. And then you can use one more zero lag indicator, alpha zero algo alpha is there, and then I'm just using that actually. Zero lag. Okay, zero lag indicators by algo alpha, you can use it. Okay, and then you can see this is the way how you can use silver. Okay, let us use silver, and then this way you can use it for single you want to buy. Okay, but I don't suggest as a hedge, because if something goes wrong, you have a hedge always. Okay, suddenly if a fall comes, then it will be because of heavy leverage, you can get out of the market. Okay, now since the gold is there and then silver both are there, what we'll do is we'll go for that ratio and then see how it is coming up. Okay, let us take the example of here when the sell signal came around 13th May. 13th May you got a sell signal here. That time you will be selling gold and buying silver. Okay, as I told you, the ratio is going down. You should go for selling gold and buying silver. 13th May, let us see here 13th May. I just made here one small calculation here. Sell gold. Okay, 13th May. Let me just take the rate here for gold that day. Gold, 13th May, roughly around 13th May, the rate is around 93,397. Okay, 93,397, 93,397. Okay, and then the silver rate that time was around 13th May, 13th May roughly it is around 96,591. 96,591. Okay, this is the entry you are taking, and then you are taking one lot and then two lots of silver. Okay, now here when you see exit, now currently the price what is there now. Okay, let us exit at this price. Now currently what is there, the ratio now currently whatever is there, we still will not trigger that reversal. So let us go for current price now, 97.88, and then 1,13,000. This is the price. The ratio what we entered is 0.97 and the current ratio is 0.87. And 13th May is the date what we entered, and then the exit price is 9,78,000 for gold. There is a loss of 44,000 rupees, and for silver there is a gain of 1,64,000. Net profit is 1,20,000, and this is in 2 months time. Okay, so this way you are getting a safe trade, and the ratio you are tracking 0.87. And then the trading you can see here 0.87, 87 means 87, 0.87 I mentioned that it's 87. If you see a ratio, keep a ratio of stop loss. You can see stop loss ratio is 92. At least you can keep a last 4 days candle high, roughly it will be around 90. Keep a stop loss of 90, and then there is a reversal, then square off and you can go for reversal, wait for signal of a buy. Okay, if you see in this here everything, then you can see here 5 minutes only it is bullish, otherwise everything is bearish. Okay, so it's better that you avoid the reversal or wait for the reversal signal, and then you can enter the trade. So this is the way how you take the trade for gold silver pair. And hope this is explaining you the entire process of gold trading, gold or silver, whatever you do. And these are rules you follow, and you plot all the rules in advance, so that you know this is the trade you will going to happen for that day, and you can trade accordingly. Hope this helping you a lot in taking your trades for gold and silver. Those who are interested, only follow this disclaimer that this for education purpose only and not for any other purpose. Okay, so thanks for seeing the video, and thank you so much. Bye.